It's S&C, the shit I'm cartel, right? Well, welcome to the frat, where everything's a go for the night.
Go for the night.
Yeah. Nigga, welcome to the frat house.
The frat house.
Hella girls, hella ass out.
Hella ass out. I'm with it.
Nigga, welcome to the
frat house.
Get him. Dope sipping, Henny till I pass out.
Till I pass out. Yeah.
Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house.
Let me hear it, man.
Till I pass out. Alright, create the scene. All the bottles is there. And then we light the green. Watch the shorties appear. We fresher than the season, smelling like Polo and Henny. With women by the dozen, smelling like roses and Remy. We sitting this heavy, fucking living YOLO, right? The gas
major freestyle right here.
Dynamite, I'm
Dynamite. You boys better get him.
Short, they came with these hoes, but Griffin. Listen, white girl Lizzie got me with the madhouse. White girl Lizzie doing Molly in the frat house. Big goes about the hoes to be passed out. But she's going on the road trying to back out. On the road trying to back out. Big girls, big smoke, let her blow, bitch, back out.
Let me hit that hook one more time. Yeah, welcome to the frat house. Welcome to the frat house. Hey, yo, welcome to the frat house.
Henny till I pass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Welcome to the frat house. Welcome to the frat house. Go ahead, boy.
I got party favors, I got party favors. I got weed, I got all that in my back. She be talking, all I do is spank that ass. I don't wanna have to talk. These bitches all up in my DMs. I don't even fucking see them. I just leave that bitch on scene. Cause I'm fucking counting green. Bitches in my face all the fucking time. But they just want the dick. And I don't want the time. Bitches in my car trying to get a ride. I say ask her gas. Actually I'll pass. Tell my fucking niggas in the fucking back. I got my nigga with my gang.
Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hey, hella girls, hella ass out. Welcome to the frat house.
Welcome to the frat house.
Henny till I pass out. Welcome to the frat house.
Welcome.
Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Henny till I pass out.
Real thugs, real G's. Come and take that ride with us. Ballpark, I mean bass movers. Yeah, bitch, and I'm trying to fuck. I know that you want to, so don't try to play me dumb. It's a fact when I slap your back. Off in the back of the Cadillac. Hey, where that magic at?
Okay.
Oh, that's right, I'm the Magic Mac.
I'm the Magic Mac.
Chris Angel, Orlando Magic Pack. Like a hijack. I'ma put you to sleep and I'll be right back. I know you like that. Too strong when I'm in, they can't fight back. Big on 4 minutes like a nice snack.
Gang. Welcome to the frat house.
Doing this piece. Fucking down to 20. I fuck them out till it's empty. Take it down so easy. Told me hype, don't tease me.
Wait.
Welcome to the frat house.
I ain't gonna stressed out. It's S&C and shit, I'm cartel, right? Well, welcome to the frat, where everything's a go for the night. Pussy. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Smoking dope, sipping Henny till I pass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Smoking dope, sipping Henny till I pass. Alright, create the scene. All the bottles is there. And then I light the green. Watch the shorties appear. We fresher than the season, smelling like Polo and Henny. When women by the dozen, smelling like roses and Remy. We sending it's heavy, fucking living YOLO, right? The gas mask, I have you doubting Napoleon is dynamite. I'm off the weed, so I'm lifted. Down the Henny, so I'm drifting. Shorty bad, you know I flicked it. Straight gem on these hoes, Blake Griffin. Listen, white girl Lizzie doing Molly in the frat house. White girl Molly doing Lizzie. Got me spazzed out when anything goes. Popping hoes till we pass out. But shit, keep it going on the road, tryna mac out. On the road, tryna mac out. Big blunts, big smoke, let her blow a bitch back out. Plus you know a nigga strapped out. Cause I'm from the big city where you don't never lack out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Smoking dope, sipping Henny till I pass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Hella girls, hella ass out. Nigga, welcome to the frat house. Smoking dope, sipping Henny till I pass out.
Smoking gas, got it by the acre.
I got some
Yeah, cause I got it for the nature. I got some money, cause I gotta do it later. I got some money, cause I gotta do it later. I got some money, cause I gotta do it later. I got some money. Hey. Yo, that's my nigga, bro. Bro,
I got some money.
I got some money.